Okay.
Instead of individual. But also I don't know what's going on. They're trying to brainwash me. Before they-
Yeah, he's here.
all these-
Morning, Judge. Right behind you.
Because it's funded by the.
You all right?
Yeah,
It's like,
I'm
oh,
all right.
This is great. Like,
Yeah, right, good taste.
Did they tell you anything, or you don't know yet?
Not yet. Not yet. Maybe, I'm hoping today that I know something. It's a little painful, I'll tell you that.
Amen.
Hey, Mr. McLean. Like Tony, yeah, thank you.
All right.
It's just gonna be me for a second.
Huh?
It's gonna be me for a second.
Oh,
We got two prisons, but we have to go. I need it.
Yeah, I think, Lucky came in, and said he was gonna be in here.
He might come down, yeah.
Um,
I'm going to court.
Good morning, Mr. McLean.
All right, give me 1 second, brother.
Can you hear me, Mr. McLean?
Yeah,
Okay, we're just waiting on your attorney, okay?
okay.
You have a report on that one?
Huh?
Do we have a report?
It's a letter in here. Check on Mr. Strong.
Please don't mistake the video.
Did you guys receive anything?
I don't have anything. I looked online and I didn't get anything delivered.
Hold on, here we go. There's a report in there.
Not talking about the. Now, one second. Yeah.
You did?
Oh, God. Yes, please, if you don't mind. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, speak for you. No, this is President Trump is to get my money. Got right things on earth, on spirit, and personal value, company, cash burn, everything, 10% of the cash. Now, give me 1 second,
Hi, good morning, Mr. Strong, how are you? Good morning, this is Kitty Judge Giles Clerk, you got an 8:30, review conferencing hearing? Okay. Okay, yeah, well, your client is on, he's in Wayne County Jail, so he is on Zoom. Do you have a report? Okay. You want me to send it to you? Okay, okay, all right. Yeah, all right. Said he's on his way here, give him about 15 minutes. Yeah, I can, I'll make a copy. Defense attorney, he said he didn't have one.
Long as it's soft, you got the 4 years. 7 bedroom plan, you got the 5 years. The salary fire, the mandatory 2 years consecutive and preceding incident and I did. Now, what's your phone number, bro?
286 7412. HAZ.
Crazy how you end up with no PCC, I mean, no PC, so I tell. Just gotta-
Speaking of PCCs, there's
ALMA.
a case tomorrow, both A-Wims.
PCC?
Yeah, I found our DB, because I thought they might be a DB case, and I was correct, they are. So they're asked to move it to Judge King's court tomorrow. They're not charged as DBs, but I think they will be over there.
You said it's not charged with?
Not currently, they're just charged A-Wim with normal charges I go. But the DB unit is taking it, so they asked me to ask you to send it over to Judge King. I can give you the docket numbers if you want.
Yeah, I think I found it though.
Jackson and Bennett.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ashante,
Yeah.
Jack.
Yeah.
They got to fight in county. A retail for I missed work. So I was in prison in Ohio.
Okay, so that's that's it.
Thanks, 250. I told them that prison 2019, I sent them the IUD. The COVID that came around, I think it was come get me. I didn't be out.
I don't just use it. Or this would be approved.
No, sir.
It works for you.
Yes, sir.
What do you prefer?
I'm all on the group. Yeah, on the group.
Yeah.
How much do you recommend?
$6.
You are, how you do, go on, right?
We can't get it in Home Depot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How much is the price of the board there, not very good?
Really funny. Nothing, it's say maybe 5,000 instead. Crazy. Crazy.
What is the most expensive?
So, let's say this is like utility, probably 300, gas, like 2,000 in gas.
Okay, first time, two to one, how far you going to school?
High school, trade, it's a little college, I'm gonna think,
You got a date, you got a good school, you got a
no.
why do you do this time, you know, without going into that, too much, you don't know who you're aware of.
Alcoholic, man, and he trying to get off the curtain, so.
Because he said he's trying to Yes.
Is there statements, any statements, bro?
You know, we're not gonna have the space. Then, the next time we get people, yeah, all right, yeah, this is better than everything, man. Like,
Is it a game today?
Wait.
The parking lot was a little different.
Could be different stuff. That's what it's got you.
The game for today. Atlanta Braves, that's a good game.
You said it is a game? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. No, I don't see it. Oh, is it a night game?
Yeah, 6:40.
Oh. We got a day game on Wednesday,
That's the.
21st.
Oh,
Oh, no, that's next week.
It's next week, yeah.
No, I'm sorry, the 14th.
Game of the 14th.
June 14th.
Yeah.
So.
I was locked up in Ohio, and in prison.
No problem. Don't have no result.
Yeah, you tell them, they never respond or something, I know they don't get. Good, that's why I turned myself in. Think I can't help the 2020, the Mr. Pat Ridley about to come there, let him come to jail. Right. I'm going to talk about that 7 years, 11 months, so you kind of see people die, that we in prison, see people die. About to turn myself in, the prison, probably did.
Oh, yeah. I have to ask you about that. Let's see. Said who?
There's one time there's something going on. It's on fire.
Who has the, Joshua Greer Walden case? That it? Greer
That's
Walden?
Laura. Laura has that.
Oh, Laura has it.
Yeah, she's gonna be.
Yeah, but that can't be it's one of them. And then, no, that was one. Somebody.
Oh.
You know me, it was one. I get there when you get it out there. And the photos. Okay, look at down. And there's you can't, I don't know. You don't have people in that Wednesday. It's still early. I forget, we have a really something on the board.
Right.
I just wait for you to go for it.
Nobody.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's. They get
Watch him.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think you are. He just goes.
Yeah, he said he was on his way down here.
10% on their system.
Yeah, there's a, yeah.
Nope, that's the only one I got. I'm supposed to be in jail
Right, that's right. Yeah, right.
today.
So she. Good job. Did you get your bill? Did you watch it when you got it?
I don't know.
I just thought.
Kim knows she's supposed to come in.
No, 6 months.
Okay, really?
Yeah.
Oh, then I should have it.
Yeah, you should, because I don't. It might be something. Mine will be.
Well, Constance looked at it.
Mine's interesting.
I'll check your mail daily when I'm here.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Questions. I should. No, I don't. Because it's a different reason, you know. Yeah, that's right. Well, again, yeah, it was probably not. And I got really want to go. $100 bill, that's no.
Yeah.
We're in.
That'd be the best feeling. You weren't expecting it.
Was expecting it.
Wednesday's already given out.
What?
There's just gonna be a- we'll work on Monday. And then, we don't work that. We don't work that one.
Yeah, because Wednesday's the day of work. Pretty sure we don't have to. I mean, if not, I'm gonna take it off. Oh, they give you that after. That's what it is. Yeah. There's a. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. Ooh. Monday we have. Yeah, I guess we. You know, things get kind of large. On the street. I don't know, yeah. No. Why not?
Next week.
But you be here, that's right.
Yeah.
I thought you should just do it. Cool. Get your own bathroom.
Yeah, I gotta cover them with. Says Chuck will cover on Tuesday and Thursday. Robin covering Friday. With administration, they get 21st.
Oh, that's it, yeah. And mine.
Monday is ours.
Oh, wait, I had another. Oh, you just go, okay. I am. Not going to. Yes, so you're in for it. I was just doing that. Was it? Was it 36 or so? We were shooting after probably the week.
I haven't been to 36.
That's so long.
Huh?
They thought they were here words off. That's a long time. This is first time we have it. Yeah, I don't know if this first time. It's even weird, like, ACC, you know.
Yeah.
All Zoom in, I'm like, to do. You can say the like stuff. Wow. Juneteenth, okay. Got it. That's right. I'm glad to get you.
Yeah.
Fathers go out there and get degrees. It's not always that.
It's, yeah, it's 19.
But I'm saying, it's Father's Day, it's not always a wild age.
No. Third Sunday.
Yeah, do what I want, they call me, man. When the guy was 15, man, that's what they want. That's what they did in there? Yeah. Damn. Dang, oh, this ain't that old.
Why do I have this file?
Good cases.
Yeah. Okay, now, this is a bind over from Friday, Beach. Remember that? Clerk Marcia in there?
Oh, you were, okay.
Marcy? What? I don't understand what you watch. What's that body though? This is a dismissal.
Nobody knows that. Yeah, it was an 8 years final, right? 6. Another was waived, man.
And here's some dismissals. Marcy.
I know you just used it 2 days, right? You got some dismissal, a lot of mine over there. On the 8th.
She must not put these in the right spot.
I'm the difference is down there, they allow them to do. They can make earth and grass and sell them, get money, government program fall. That's how much of them pay their salary for. You work the prison? Yeah, that's. I got some,
Be here today, right?
We got that big like handmade jewelry boxes, you only charge them like $135. It's paying jewelry box on the house.
These are yours. Randy? Do I see on that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just open up all that. Yeah. Prison, phone different names. Everyone's like, who's getting the phone? Yeah, down there too. But only difference is not here. So that is Atlanta, which is serious. And here in the bars. We can put on your bed, actually. You make out all there. That's how it is. You make it comfortable, they don't see it. Right.
Here's a.
Listen, well, we're amazing about how our people live. They won't give you $300 a month.
Oh, that's right. Oh, no.
Yeah, we all.
Oh, this is for your eyes. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Like our priority is all.
Oh. Yeah, I take it down when I take my stuff down.
Okay, so this month, like. Here, okay, go here. You already got it ready. You already got it ready, you already on the showcase. You got another showcase here.
No, no, you know, that's good.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no, I can continue.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I thought they were going down the fight.
Ready? You ready, Council?
I'm ready.
Calling case number.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry. Oh,
Good morning, ma'am.
36th District Court, City of Detroit, State of Michigan, now in session with the Honorable Judge Ronald Giles presiding.
Hey,
Thank you.
hi, Mr. Robert.
calling case number 21-62815, the people of the state of Michigan versus Hassan McLean. Defendant is charged with count 1, evasion first degree. This matter is here on a return. Review counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Appearing on behalf of the people, PE 6266.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ronald appearing on behalf of Mr. McLean.
Alright. Dated, and also Mr. McLean is on the, on Zoom. Mr. McLean, can you state your name, please? Well, he was.
He's still on there.
Mr. McLean,
Yes, sir.
state your name, please.
Hassan McLean.
Thank you. All right, a report on the letterhead for State of Michigan Department of Health and Human Services Center for Forensic Psychiatry, dated April 25th, 2023.
Okay.
Authored by a Kelly Schaefer, with the social worker. And both parties had an opportunity to review their report.
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. Basically, Mr. McLean is on a waiting list to, you know, be sent to a state hospital for treatment. He hasn't received treatment yet. So all we can do is put this over and, yeah.
The report indicated that Mr. McLean was first declared incompetent in September of 2022. My notes reflect that he was declared incompetent January 27th of 2022. So, I believe we're past the 15 months.
Or it says October 27th, 2022.
It should be in the.
Because for a period there, he was in capia status.
When he was declared incompetent, he was waiting for bed space at the forensic center. They did not have bed space at the time. So, because he was not in capia status, what happened was, we had a review date and Mr. McLean came in late. That's why he's in the jail now. What did happen is they set an appointment for follow-up evaluation, and he did not make that appointment.
I got an order regarding competency for October 27th, 2022. Make sure that's the only one in here. We'll re-refer to these. Yeah, October 27th, 2022. You may have been referred prior to that a couple of times, but the actual order was not done until October. We have a couple more pages to go through.
They will do nothing to make money back to the woman. So we should have to do what they do away. They start them. They probably don't let you do. They think we can.
Now, I see several orders for competency in the file, but there was not a determination made. Only determination I'm saying.
Just strike that January 27th date.
I beg your pardon?
Strike that January 27th date when it was found incompetent. That's not accurate. So then October 27th. So we're still within the 15 period.
Right. Yeah, I only have one order determining that he was incompetent. There were several orders requesting competency exam. There's only have one order, and that's the October one. At this point, we'll just give you another review date. Okay, can you give me these 3 months out?
Oh.
September 12th.
All right, next day is gonna be September 12th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m.
Just not just issue of that. Advance work to reinstate Mr. McLean's previous bond. See treatment between now and September date.
Where's he gonna receive treatment at?
His mother had him receiving treatment, and they listed it in the report, I believe. I know it's a facility located here in Detroit, where he was receiving treatment. He just not taking his medication. That was the issue.
Well, he needs to be in an inpatient setting. You can get someone that's gonna accept him for a psychiatric inpatient setting, and I'll transfer him there.
Okay.
Take him out of the forensic center.
Very well.
But other than that, I'm not. That's my mind at this point.
All right, thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Mr. McLean, that concludes your hearing.
Yes,
Your hearing's over. Your next date's gonna be September 12th at 8:30.
huh?
Your next date is September 12th at 8:30.
Okay,
All right, you can tell the deputies that the hearing's over.
alright.
Could you put me on Thursday, Scott?
No, you want Thursday?
Thank you. It looks like I am on Thursday this week.
The ambulance check in, Ramsey.
Ramsey checked in.
Nancy's here.
He's here with his mother and father, but Hamilton is not here. She got 2 cases.
She got 9 and 9:30.
Mr. Hassan Ramsey's, Hassan McClain, mother showed up.
All right, thank you.
Mhm.
How you doing there? Just recording you, right?
Morning, how you doing?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm okay.
Just, I'm here, Daryl Brown is set for medical. Has he checked in?
No.
Okay, he's probably not.
Thanks.
He's out. He was
Yeah,
in.
he was, he's,
He was in at his PCC.
he was.
Hmm?
I think he's out, but I'll check.
Let me see what the bond is. Maybe he was just waiting on a tether at that time.
Could be.
Yeah.
It's taking a long time.
At the tether.
You said it.
Yep, because it's a personal 50,000.
All right.
All right.
Yes. $50
Mm-hmm.
What kids are you, man? Very good. Thank you.
0.
233. Scary.
Alex. Alex.
Yeah. You got my first. Oh.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Two.
Okay, this is Katie to detect. I'm wondering if on this, for the second dinner. Yeah, because she has 2 cases in here. And she's trying to see what she said the judges will have. Thank you.
Mhm.
Mhm.
313-965-2282. Ronald Ramsey
And Jaden Turner. Yeah, it's spelled different too. So JADYON. It's Turner hyphenated Cook. Thank you.
That's it here.
They're trying to nail on me.
Yeah. Is, your parent,
Do you have any plea forms by chance, like the ones that are written? If not, I can email it to you if you don't mind printing a couple.
you got the father on hold, he's trying to call.
I don't think so, but
I don't know what you're.
I've been told, been very bothering, I've told her several times.
I'm just shoot you an email.
yeah, please. I'll make sure I'll keep. thought I kept one the last time. Oh, I do.
Oh, you do?
Yep.
Sweet. I was just about to send it to you. Good morning.
Oh, this is.
Okay,
Nope.
thank you.
I'm sorry, that wasn't it.
No worries, here, I'm just gonna say, I have it right here.
I kept one, huh? So we jamming Tuesday. No, I didn't say it.
Are you here tomorrow?
Yes.
Hair surgery.
Okay, you said tomorrow?
I do, yes, yeah, someone gave it to me last Friday.
This Ronald Carter is a domestic violence. That shouldn't be on there. Tomorrow, PCC. Oh, how many forms did you want?
I'll just take one to fill out now, and then, but I'll take the rest and I'll just put them on our table so we can just have them
Oh,
in case we have it, so I don't have the bug every time.
ooh,
Thank you so much.
actually, I'm just gonna keep this in here.
She said, how long?
Yes.
Just had- I didn't lose a portion of the screen. Okay. It's the screen. It's just a-
Yeah. Wow, I don't have that issue. Yeah, I do. Because mine's been time to respond, so. She said. Yeah.
Oh,
For grants.
Hamilton, she's here.
I'm gonna let you.
Yeah, she must have just got here. I don't know why she didn't check in. All right, thank you. All right, thank you. Me too. Bye-bye. Oh, this is the one.
Yeah.
Smart.
I mean, you take all the time you need. You seem to do that.
Yes.
Morning, how you doing?
Pretty good. What about yourself?
I'm hanging in there.
Please. Thank you.
When is it scheduled? It's not scheduled for today, is it?
No,
Okay,
Wednesday, PCC.
okay, thank you.
No problem.
Courtroom two.
Oh, you know.
Yeah, we'll keep letting you
You're allowed to, they're not.
I need to know that. Do you have your case number? What is your last name? What is your first name? I'm sorry. E.A. Is it Karen at the system? that was meeting Judge Giles on June 20th for a probable cause conference. The ID number is the other pen or pencil paper. Okay, it's 360. 233 0000. Okay. I don't know, sir, you're gonna have to ask your attorney what your attorney is appointed to. So you have it for your attorney. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Are we ready?
Yes, here's the plea offer, was I believe accepted.
Calling case number 2357090, the people of the state of Michigan versus Lerone Ramsey. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 3, stolen property, receiving and concealing a motor vehicle. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edit Booth appearing on behalf of the people, P 86266.
Good morning, Your Honor. Vanessa Hamilton, P82107, on behalf of Mr. Ramsey, who joins us to my right. Standing for the right.
Around.
Attorney Hamilton, this matter was set for 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
I've had several conversations with you regarding getting to my court on time. And you don't seem to understand, or you don't get it, or you don't care. I don't know what it is.
I'm doing my
I'm
best.
talking. When I talk, you don't. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Threaten to hold you in contempt? That didn't change anything. All I've asked for was a little bit of respect. Get here on time or call. And you can't do either one. So you need an attorney. After we finish this hearing, I'm gonna give you a chance to call your office, have someone come over to represent you. Because I'm gonna hold you in contempt.
All right, Your Honor.
That's this case, what we're doing.
The people have extended an offer, Your Honor, I believe Mr. Ramsey has accepted. The reduced count, so on the information, just for the record, it says counts 2, 3, and 4 instead of 1, 2, and 3. So I based it off of that. The reduced count 3, which Mr. Ramsey is charged with, instead of the stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle, which is a 5-year felony, the people have extended the offer to plead guilty to the reduced charge of unlawful use of a motor vehicle first offense, which is a 90-day misdemeanor, Your Honor. And that is MCL 750.414-A.
Yes, Your Honor, that is, we understand the offer and we would like to accept it.
Mr. Rand, raise your hand. You swear our affirm, so truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, and nothing but God.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Ramsey, you understand that by stand up. You understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up certain constitutional rights. You give up the right to a trial by judge and jury. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You give up the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand that?
I'm sorry.
You gotta speak up.
Yes.
All right, you give up the right to question any witnesses the state has against you and to use the court subpoena power to force any witnesses you may have to come to court and testify on your behalf. You understand that?
Yes.
You're also giving up the right to remain silent and not have that silence used against you, or the right to testify at your own trial if you so decide. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand all these rights I've gone over.
Yes.
You had an opportunity to talk to your attorney about all these rights.
Yes, sir.
And you waiving these rights freely and voluntarily plead guilty because you are guilty. Gotta hear you.
Yes, you are.
All right, give me factual basis, please.
I do that. Mr. Raines, I'm just gonna ask you a couple questions, okay? If you don't understand something, I'll ask you, okay? I'm gonna direct your attention back to the date of May 26, 2023. Were you at the location of 14441 East Warren Road?
I'm sorry, I can't hear.
I'm sorry?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay. Is that in the city of Detroit, County?
You gotta get it from him, you can get it from you.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor, he said yes, and I was just repeating what he said.
Well, we couldn't hear, could you hear him?
No.
If I can't hear him, I can't take the plea.
Understood, Your Honor. I'll re-ask the question, and we'll do it nice and loud, okay? On May 26, 2023, were you at the location of 14441 East Warren Road?
Yes.
Is that in the city of Detroit, County of Wayne?
Yes.
Now, when you were in that location, were you driving a black Chrysler 300?
Yes.
Did you have permission to drive that car?
No, it's actually.
I'm sorry.
So what was your answer?
No, it's actually.
Okay.
I can't take the plea if I can't hear you.
Yes.
You have to speak up, okay?
I did not, too full. It's like.
But if I can't take the.
Would you like to step to the microphone? And I can step
I
over
can't
you.
take it if I can't hear you.
I'll ask the question again, okay? When you were in that location on that date, were you driving a black Chrysler 300?
Yes.
Did you have permission to drive that black Chrysler 300?
No, I'm not sure.
I'm sorry, what was that? Just speak right into the mic.
Yes, I'm not sure. No, I didn't.
No, you didn't have permission?
No, I did not have permission.
The people are satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I don't know if I'm satisfied. Mr. Ramsey, no, stay right there. Mr. Ramsey, I accept pleas from people who are guilty. You're not guilty, I'm not gonna accept your plea.
I'm guilty.
Do you have permission to drive that vehicle?
No.
All right, court's gonna accept the plea. The man's gonna be referred to a pre-sentence report. 36th District Corporation Department. Sentencing is gonna be before Judge Bryant.
Can I have a second?
How old are you, Mr. Ramsey?
19.
Today.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge, August 3rd at 9 a.m.
Come back August 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. for Judge Bryant again. Need your approach, please.
The attorney, Your Honor?
Yes.
Yes, we just said.
Yeah.
He was, defendant number one was being trained by Telly. He was like,
You're gonna like
Mr. Ronald. He got out of his second.
Are you handling
This was his first arrest.
Right.
And he's so young, I didn't want to. Sure.
Yes,
He's also kind of eligible under this charge. Custis. I imagine those are two.
I am already eligible for a delayed sentence.
Yeah.
No problem with the delayed sentence. You wanna add that to it? You can add that to it. Yeah, delayed sentence under, what is it?
771. Or 7, it's a 761.
I saw some four something, I don't remember.
Is it 7411? 7411.
Well, 7411 is
That's from
drug.
specific. Sentence under MCL. Or I can find out what it is. Ms. Narcisse.
Ms. Narcisse,
Yes, sir.
can you come up here, please?
I just don't. Looks.
Yeah, I'm not there. Let's see if we can do anything else he wants to do.
Okay. We're trying to find out what the sentence
Yeah.
statute is.
Oh,
If you know what that's. 771.
it's only for drugs, I think.
The 7411.
7411 is
Yeah, yeah, you're right, it is
Probation.
71.1.
It's under
Okay.
771.
Well, no, that's not- oh, you're younger than I am, so you
Yeah.
remember.
I think.
You could do either.
Well,
Would you count them die, or do you need to? I'm really concerned about.
You
it.
prefer, okay.
Yeah.
This is the first, okay, same end result.
yeah, same end result, so I think the drive probably be more amenable to.
Okay.
Okay. Would you like him to look it over, or? Oh, no, it's just.
It's just, I guess it's from time to time. All right, Mr. Ramsey. I'm gonna add to this, terms and conditions. It previously says terms and conditions set forth by the court. But we're also gonna add this, that this, the plea is gonna be accepted as a delayed sentence under, 77(1.1). Basically, what that means is that you gotta go for a pre-sentence investigation. You're gonna come back for sentencing in front of Judge Bryant, all right? Judge Bryant is gonna tell you to do certain things.
Okay.
All right, like, are you in school?
Yes.
Where?
Enterprise High School. Enterprise. I'm sorry. Enterprise.
You said that's for your high school?
It's a alternative diploma school.
Okay. I'm sure she'll make that as a condition that you get your diploma. Or at least a GED,
I'm working on getting my diploma.
okay? She'll also tell you to do certain other things, all right? You do all those things, and then this case goes away, it won't be on your record, or can be dismissed. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You don't do them, you know, people think I'm stern. Judge Bryant is a whole lot more stern than I am. He has a way of saying things that, well, let me put it this way, you don't want to get her mad, all right? So, do you understand that?
Yes,
Understand
sir.
what I just told you?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, I mean, this is a break. This is a bigger break than you were getting in the first place. All right, you went from a felony to a misdemeanor. Now you even have the opportunity to have that totally erased from your record and not have a record. You don't want to have a record, any kind of record, because that's going to stop you from doing things. A misdemeanor can stop you from getting to college. Did you know that?
No, sir, I didn't.
Yeah, it can. So that's not something you want. You want to be able to do. Well, you want to be able to. That's your mother and father in the back, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, obviously they care a lot about you because they're here with you. And they're standing by you, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you owe them. You gotta make sure you let them know that it's worth it, that you're worth it by doing the right thing, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Attorney Cook here.
Yes, he's here as well.
So it's under 771.
Might want to.
So the wait person.
They should have been.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's why I told them wait.
Yeah, good job. Good job.
Well, thank you very much.
Yes.
Bring in front.
You have your client, other client here?
Yes, he's here.
Okay, now
Bring
come
him
on
in.
here.
Do you want me to go get him?
Yes, please.
All right, that's all.
I'm giving them a printout.
Right.
Of the ROA, but this was a little bit more. This-
How you doing, officer? What case are you doing? Greer, okay, thank you very much. Are you the OIC or? No. Okay.
Hey, Chris, you can- Oh, gee. I got a question. 771.
She hadn't talked to her. Yes, she did. We'll find out. McCoy's got a client here too.
Where? Oh. Dude, that's right there. Okay, I was looking for it under the defer. Okay, thank you. All right. Cool. Uh-oh, last time I got in trouble.
I called that prisoner up too. I told him to be ready. He's out there. Go ahead. Oh, okay. Yeah.
I know.
Got it.
King's
I gotta get this. Fine. Yes, good night, Mr. Career upstairs. Thank you very much.
Oh, let's see.
Stay right there.
You ready, Councilman? Calling case number 2357096, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jaden Turner Cook. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing 4th-degree vehicle code. Count 2, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 3, operating drag racing. Count 4, operating no license, multiple licenses. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ed Woodward appearing on behalf of the people, P 86266.
And good morning, Your Honor. Vanessa Hamilton, P82107, on behalf of Mr. Turner Cook, who stands to my right. Did you say your name for the record? Yeah, no, just say your full name, no report. One more time, please.
Jadion Amir Turner Cook.
Thank you. All right, you ready?
No, Your Honor, some of my officers appeared, but one of the essential officers I needed to proceed with this case did not appear, so I'm unable to proceed, Your Honor.
We would request dismissal on that basis, Judge.
Recommend dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Yes, I'll get you.
Here,
I'm just gonna lay it aside and I'll come
Hamilton, you used to call your office to have someone who represents you.
Yes, Judge, I got one more, PCC I need to handle as well, but, I can, I'll get someone over here.
Well, right now, if you need to get someone over here, then you can have a seat in the back.
That's right, I have one
Then you're
more.
gonna have a seat in the back. Do you understand?
I understand that. Can I do my court hearing then while I'm sitting in the back? I have a PCC that I'm still waiting.
Right
to
now?
call involved.
Did you bother to call that courtroom and tell them you're late?
I was already in there this morning, Your Honor, and running around getting collared shirts for my clients, trying to get here, stopping to be on the record to talk with the prosecutor, etc. I was late. I mean, I can continue to be late for them. I hear you. I'm just saying, I've got one more.
I don't think you do hear me. That's the problem. Because if you heard me, you would have heard me the first, or second, or third, or even the fourth time I said something about it. But you didn't.
I'm doing my best, Your Honor, and I apologize.
I don't. Well, obviously, your best at this point is not good enough. Call whoever you want to represent you and have a seat in the back.
Thank you, Judge. May I also call Judge Robbins' court to let them know that I will not be appearing for my client?
We'll call him.
Thank you.
You call him, Kitty?
I got, paperwork ready to go. They are still out there, right? Can you hand me that ROA? Yeah, I attached it to there. It's the plea form that was come up. Yeah. All right. Brown, right? You know Brown?
Yes.
You ready, Counsel? Calling case number 2357117, the people of the state of Michigan versus Daryl Brown. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, count 3, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon, count 4, weapons, felony, firearms. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Booklet appearing on behalf of the people, P 86266.
And good morning, Your Honor. Robin McCoy, P63057, appearing on behalf of Mr. Darrell Brown, who stands to my right.
Mr. Brown, can you state your name for the record, please?
Gerald Brown, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, ready to proceed?
No, Your Honor, people aren't able to proceed, but Ms. Erica McDougal and Samantha Harris failed to appear for police court date. Your Honor, to proceed.
And Your Honor, in light of that, would be moving for dismissal without prejudice.
Matter is dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Your Honor. Do we need to go in now?
Yep.
Yeah. Great.
You want to step up to the table?
Where's the prosecutor? Is it Laura doing yours?
She's here.
Oh.
Let me go get her. She's right outside the door. Okay, I'll go get her before I get trained. You're okay.
You're always ready.
I know you are. That's one.
Let's see, it's just last. That one lane traffic.
I can do it. Can you let me call this case?
Once you just get outside, you see it. Excuse me.
My son's trying to check in. All right, you ready? Calling case number 2356904, the people of the state of Michigan versus Joshua Greer Wandale. Defendant is charged with count 1, count 2, count 3, assault with intent to murder. Count 4, count 5, count 6, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 7, weapons carrying concealed. Count 8, count 9, count 10, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 11, count 12, count 13, count 14, count 15, count 16, count 17, count 18, count 19, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lauren, your Session on behalf of the people, P67104.
Hey, good morning, Judge David Cripps, P34972, appearing on behalf of my client, Joshua Greer Waddell, who's standing to my right. Tell the judge your name, please.
My name is Joshua Isaiah Woodell.
Thank you.
Judge, at this time, the people are requesting a brief adjournment with a detainer as to the complaining witnesses. My officer in charge is present. He can testify to the efforts he has made to look and speak with these witnesses. He has spoken to their family members, has returned to their homes numerous times. I'm asking that the detainer be placed on these witnesses.
Your Honor, the defense is making a motion to dismiss without prejudice. My client's been incarcerated since the inception of this case. I would suggest the appropriate remedy would be a dismissal without prejudice. And once the prosecution does further investigation to secure their witnesses, they can manage.
Where's your officer in charge?
He's in the hall, on the other judge. Judge, the officer in charge is present. This is Detective Bowers.
Right.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thanks, Ronald. What's your name on the record, please?
Detective William Bowers.
Okay, and you're the OIC in this case?
Correct, sir.
All right. The necessary witnesses, like Ms. Sheldon, Ms. Arnold, and Mr. Dupree. Have you served them?
I tried serving Mr. Dupree. He was in another shooting, and he told me he wasn't coming. I tried serving Ms. Shelton and Ms. Arnold because they live together for the last week and a half. I talked to their brother twice because they all live in the same apartment. And then I tried calling Ms. Shelton several times. And as I called her, they it would ring and then it would go to voicemail. So I haven't been able to get a hold of the video.
You have any other information on where they work? I mean, was there someplace you can go find them? Other than-
No, they're young, they stayed in the apartment with their brother and their mom.
So young, how young we talking about?
I think they're like, Miss Arnold's like, yes, 1920. They're adults, yes.
If you have any questions? Or-
I do not, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I guess my biggest hesitation, I hate doing these things last second, you know. If this had been filed previously, I have no problem, you know, issuing, warrants or detainers for them, even have them brought in and take from there. At this point, I guess I'm still gonna do that. I'm gonna issue a detainer for all three. Have them brought in, I'm gonna put this matter over.
Could I supplement my argument?
Sure.
It's pretty clear to me, Judge, that these are complainants that have no interest in coming to court. In fact, as we just heard from the officer in charge, Mr. Dupree said, I'm not coming. The other two, Ms. Arnold and Ms. Shelton, have evidenced actions, I believe we can read it what the officer in charge is saying, that they're not interested in terms of responding to him, which suggests, again, a strong inference they don't want to come. So we have three complainants who don't want to be here. My client's been sitting in jail on $1 million bond.
The issue is, I don't think any of us know or can know at this point why they don't want to be here. There's no family relationship. So, I want to be here because they wish to deal with it their own way. And we end up having one of them in here or all of them in here and possibly hurt or worse. Or one of them hurt or worse. You know, sometimes we gotta stop it. I'll be addressed as Bob. But at this point, I'm going to issue a detainer, all three, I'm gonna bring them in. You know, they just may have a harder way to go if they have witnesses that are not cooperative. You know, they can't make them say what they want them to say. Bring them in here, swear them in, see what they say when it comes. So I guess the question is how long is it gonna take to get them?
I would say just a week, Judge. If we can return Tuesday, since Monday court is closed.
No problem, I'm not here,
Okay.
next week. I'm gonna put this on a judge that's just sitting in my place.
I'm in trial in circuit court potentially on the 26th unless my plea goes forward tomorrow. Unless we just simply try for Friday, Judge.
You can get them in here by Friday?
I'm not sure, but I would know better if I'll be in trial on the 26th tomorrow. At 1 o'clock, I have a plea scheduled for that matter.
Taking that Mr. Greer Waddell has no history
No,
because there's I see no habitual now.
correct.
Where do you live, sir? Who do you live with?
I live with my brother in Oak Park. I live with my mother in Oak Park.
In Oak Park.
Right.
You working or were you working?
Yes.
Where?
I had an internship in Southview, Telegraph, at a luxury rental.
And where?
At a luxury rental, place.
He's in college now too. Tell the judge about that.
Because I'm about to be a sophomore in college at Grand Valley State University.
Any questions?
No,
Any argument regarding bond?
no, Judge, I'll leave it to the court's discretion.
Yeah.
Nothing to add except for, I would add that he has a very involved mother. She calls me every day. Yeah, asking about the update of the status of the case. If he's even half as conscientious as she is, I'm sure he'll never miss any court dates.
Judge, let's just try for Friday.
Well, I mean, Friday would just be a date I could put in for the a hearing on the detainers. You know, I'm still gonna have to adjourn this exam over.
Right.
So, well, I'm gonna change the bond. I'm gonna give him a personal bond, my personal bond with a tether. Put a bunch of conditions on that tether. For the most part, you're gonna be on house arrest. You live in Oak Park.
Yes.
You got no reason to be in Detroit. Until the shows you come in Detroit, I'm locking you up. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You have no contact with the complainants. That means no contact. You can't contact them. You can't have anybody else contact them. It's in person, by telephone, text message, email, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. You can't put anything about this incident, about your charges, about this case on any kind of social media. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Because if you do, you know what's gonna happen? What? You're gonna get locked up. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put over the, I'll put over the exam. So. Looking at July 6th. There you go. Maybe, I'm sure we don't have any.
I have to appear in Warren District Court at 9:30 for probable cause conference, Your Honor. Could we have it later in the
Yeah.
day?
10:30, 11.
11, probably.
Client will not waiting this 14-day rule regarding having his exam, especially with the change in his bond. Is that correct, Mr. President?
That's correct, Your Honor. Okay. You understand that, right, sir? And you're prepared to waive it, waive the bond that's been set by Judge Giles?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
As to the containers,
I'll submit them
when
today.
you get them, if you get them in by Friday, well, I mean, once you get the town, sign them, but you get the people in by Friday, good. If not, I mean, they're gonna be held until I get back. I don't want another judge to do it.
Okay,
You know, if for some reason can't get them, and I serve, we still got that date, you know, that date's kind of set in stone at this point,
okay,
okay?
thank you.
All right. So it's gonna be, do 100,000 personal. Right now, house arrest. They give, you provide documentation to the teller unit regarding work, and allow you to go to work, all right? But you must provide documentation. Okay, Martin? Thank you. You're welcome. Soon, you're still enrolled in school, which means you'll be going back in August.
Correct.
Right. Well, one way or the other, it'll be out of this court before that. So, let's see what happens. Come back in July. All right. I just need a bond redemption form.
Except this one.
Yeah, one last thing before I go off the record. And I had discussions with the officer in charge regarding the return of a white Ford Fusion that was seized by the police in relation to this case. I think they're done with whatever they need to do in terms of examining the vehicle. And I believe the officer in charge has, I don't know what he is, but he told me he has no objection to return the vehicle.
I have no objection.
All right, you can arrange that, or you need an order.
Can I have an order, Judge, just to be safe?
We did email an order, I don't know where it went. There was a standard email for the 36th district, but it was probably.
Oh, there's no telling where that went. We can, resend it, send it directly to Kitty, that way I'll have it and sign it and take it from there.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Stay with me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Oh, I got it. It went to, courtroom 233 email,
Okay. I knew we sent it somewhere.
so I'm gonna print it.
Oh, right, yeah.
What?
Make sure he doesn't.
You need a copy of that too, right? The reduction. So, hold on.
I'll get it for the next case, he's still got some prison. I'll bring the paperwork.
Bring it out. Attorney Hamilton, step up, please. Last thing in the world I want to do is hold an attorney. But I'm not gonna have anybody run over me or disrespect.
Okay. Yeah, that's right.
If I asked you several times on my colleagues board that if you're gonna be late, to at least call us. And you don't do that. I just find that to be so disrespectful to the court. Not say anything. I'm letting you know where I'm coming from. At this point, I'm not holding you contempt. Walk out. I won't promise you that if you continue your behavior as it's been.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. That's the only thing I can say. Thank you. Take care. I'm sure.
Oh.
Got Mr. Glenn there too.
Yeah, that actually driving them. Yeah. We'll wait for them to say.
Yeah. I don't say that. You don't do that in the NBA, when you're out of time, you're out of time.
Yeah, with this, well, yeah, it just turns.
Yeah, it's all the case.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Thank you for dressing the way you did. Yeah.
You ready, Council?
Ready.
Calling case number 2357074, the people of the state of Michigan versus Liddell Robinson. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon, count 2, weapons, felony, firearm, count 3, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon, count 4, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ed Butler appearing on behalf of the people, P86266.
Hey, good morning, Judge David Cripps, P34972, appearing on behalf of my client, Liddell Robinson, who's standing to my right. Tell the judge your complete name, please.
Liddell Shante Robinson.
Thank you.
You ready? No, Your Honor. People aren't able to proceed. Essential complaining witness failed to.
The defense will make a motion to dismiss without prejudice, Your Honor.
Matter is dismissed without prejudice. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge Pettis.
Okay, you go outside.
Just wait outside.
They're throwing curveballs.
All right, thanks.
It could have been a duplicate. That was.
Yeah, I had signed one last week. I think what happened was, that's what I gave you earlier. Signed it last week. I don't think the.
Sorry,
Same with me.
There's also. Plus, it was one of the, okay, I'm Have a good morning. I thought I'd be here all day, so. You never know how Mondays are gonna go.
True. How's everybody doing? Yeah.
Okay,
You're good.
hang in there.
Yeah.
She went to Dubai, she was there for a week,
Oh, that should be nice.
was all paid for, so. And now she's gonna go off to be a camp leader counselor in Western trip out west, Camp Tamarack.
What kind of camp is
It's high school kids,
it?
and they take them to all the national parks and stuff.
Oh, yeah, that should be nice. They teach a lot of the outdoor skills and stuff like that.
Yes, she just went through wilderness training, where they had to sprinkle blood on themselves and how to do tourniquet. I know.
What?
I know. So they gotta get used to disaster.
Yeah.
And my oldest one is finally back to school.
Oh, that's good. Good. Yeah.
OCC, but she likes it.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yes.
Gotta go somewhere they like, and otherwise it's almost a waste of time, right?
Exactly.
My grandbaby took her to rodeo
Oh, really?
on Saturday. Jump took her, and that's the mother had to do, so as soon as she got back, that told her before. She loves horses and the animals, she loves animals, she loves the farm, she loves the smell of the farm. She got it. I told her before, we're gonna send it to, Black River Farm and Ranch.
Oh, yeah. I've been there a couple times.
My kid was there. Chris and Eric was there. He was there for years. And then he even became camp counselor there afterwards.
Okay.
She came back from the rodeo. Wearing little cowboy boots, cowboy hat.
That's so cute.
Come on. I'm like, yeah, they don't allow any, no electronics, no phones, no iPads, they don't have TV, they got nothing.
At the camp, is that
Yeah,
one?
they can't, yeah. I can't call home for a week. I can't call home. No, I still wanna go. You know,
Judge, date and time set for exam at 11 a.m. It's now 10 after 11. We're ready to proceed.
People are unable to proceed as the necessary witnesses have failed to appear.
Move to dismiss.
All right, dismiss without prejudice.
Thank you, Judge. Your paperwork.
Okay.
I'll sign it. Oh.
Mr. Hernandez.
Oh. Okay.
That's Jane. I don't work for me skating lines, so I don't get
Oh.
like here,
Yeah.
Okay, do I need to know what I review it, so like I turned about, I think I was going to ask and I turned about
I mean,
then we went back about. I remember this crash.
yeah. You want to say? Thank you.
Yeah, are you, Thank you. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna be in the hallway or? Okay.
I told you about those DV cases, right? That we have, just transfer it to Judge King's courtroom.
Yeah,
3 of them.
it's three of them?
Yeah, there's the double defendant, and then this one, I actually just saw it earlier when I was looking at someone's
Okay, that's the one I seen.
Carter, domestic violence.
Yeah, Carter, and
That's
what's the
also-
other one?
Carter, and then Bennett and Jackson are all intimate partner DVs.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
The interesting thing, Bennett and Jackson are charged with DV right now, but they are intimate partner, like from the facts.
Oh.
So I did talk to the DV and they said that.
And they know, right?
They'll
Yes,
take
I-
it. So just.
Just
For 3 of those. Cool. What?
Without the door now, sir, that's scribble.
You managed that, handwritten.
If you look at this from this, this looks like.
Looks from here.
It looks like this going up and down.
It's like that. There's no one can ever screw.
That's right. You know what I had to take? When I asked for the top, ask for the female, ask her, they don't give me no name. Yeah, you guys.
Kind of weird the way they do it, it changes. It goes by, normally they'll list you by your record.
No, this is the first time.
And not necessarily by the. Like, the world championship.
You guys, yeah, 'cause I'm trying to figure out.
But, just tell me.
Yeah, the dog. You guys have a good rest of your day. Oh, yeah, you can do it. You're good. They, that's what you were going to say. Thanks.
Okay, how you doing now?
It's just one, it's the same thing, two cases. Yeah.
For this,
Yeah. It's same thing.
Alex. Yes. No, I need to. Yeah, we're gonna be. Honorable. Should be able to outcome the issue. But definitely, so only see so that and vision is on the way, but. So now we can. You're gonna be responsible for Can you go with me? Yes. Yes. Yeah, it's good. Are you?
Ready? Calling case number 2357038, the people of the state of Michigan versus James Kennedy Jr. The defendant is charged with count 1, carjacking, count 2, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle, count 3, motor vehicle, unlawful driving away, habitual offender for notice. Also calling case number 2162292, the people of the state of Michigan versus James Kennedy. Defendant is charged with count 1, home invasion, first degree, habitual offender for notice. Also calling case number 2162372, the people of the state of Michigan versus James Kennedy Jr. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing third degree vehicle code. Count 2, operating license suspended, revoked, denied, habitual offender for notice. These matters are scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Judge Alex Murphy, on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wyatt here. It's 354-891 on behalf of Mr. James Kennedy on all three matters.
Andy, please state your name for the record, please.
Yes, James Kennedy.
Thank you, sir. All right, you ready to proceed? I have previously talked with the defense counsel for the carjacking and then for the fleeing vehicle. Speaking with defense attorney, those will be waived. And then for the home invasion first, the people are unable to proceed with that case as administrative witnesses have failed to appear.
Let me make sure I got it right. The carjacking and the bleeding and looting is a waiver.
Correct. Yes,
Sure. The home invasion is a dismissal, you're not prepared to go forward.
correct.
All right, and that is to case number 2162292. That matter is dismissed without prejudice. All right, Mr. Kennedy, these questions I'm going to actually have to do with both remaining cases. That's case number 2162-372, which has to deal with the officer pleading the third degree, and case number 2357038, which is the carjacking, receiving, concealing, unlawful driving away case, all right? All right, so you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing it. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam as in both these cases?
No.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having the opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes.
And you sign the waiver of examination on both?
Yes.
Right, and the people have no objection?
No objection.
Right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as bound over Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be June 19th at 9 o'clock.
June 20th, Judge. Court is closed.
Oh. June 20th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Judge. Step this way there. Thanks a lot, Judge. See you.
See anything over there that you like?
Yeah, you know, I got 45. Yeah, but, you know, that's a nice artifact.
Yeah, nice.
We got so much art at home, though, but you see a piece or two.
Yeah.
The wife finds a way to find another wall.
Ricky out there,
Did we go or?
have you gone to that one?